In today's video, I will walk you through how to reduce nodes in Inkscape. Want to get most out of this tutorial? Sign up using the link in the description below, and let's jump right in. First, launch Inkscape and open an existing document, or create a new one. Select the path you want to simplify using the Select tool. Next, switch to the Node tool by pressing N on your keyboard. You'll now see the individual nodes that make up the path. To reduce the number of nodes, select the nodes you want to remove. You can shift-click to select multiple nodes or drag a selection box around several nodes at once. Once the unwanted nodes are selected, press Delete on your keyboard. Inkscape will automatically reconnect the remaining nodes and adjust the path. If the shape changes too much, press Ctrl+Z to undo and try removing fewer nodes. It's best to work gradually, especially with detailed artwork. You can also use Inkscape's Simplify function to automatically reduce nodes on a selected path. Press Ctrl+ L to simplify the path, then repeat the shortcut if you need further reduction. Zoom in and check the curves after simplifying to make sure important details are still intact. And that's it. You've learned how to reduce unnecessary nodes and create cleaner, smoother paths in Inkscape. And that's how to reduce nodes in Inkscape. Click the link on the description below. Thank you for watching the video.